Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Now, Hubble's cat, I don't boil it. It's dry and I pound it with a hammer and goes through a mill. This right here, take a good look at it, Hubbles. That's not mold, it's marzipan. One of my experiments on rum pudding failed. This is about a year old, and I was trying to do a rum pudding with hardtack, and it kind of screwed up because I couldn't get the gluten structure right. Now, a lot of people know that Uncle Alan's one of the hobbies, weather and gardening and stuff. But this screwed up. And it has, well, let's open it up. Oh boy, that's a lot of rum. You see that? Take a look at that. I can't get the gluten structure right. It came out like this. Again, I steamed it. Another variation of it. I don't throw away my failed experiments. See, this one, it burnt and it glutened up, didn't rise. Just, I don't know. So I tried to do marzipan. Okay, to disguise it, but that's enough sugar for me for, oh wow. That's also enough rum alcohol in it too. This is about a year old. Boy, that's a lot of sugar and rum. Ugh. Now, normally I would keep this outside, but with the alcohol content in it, I keep it in the refrigerator. And that one little chunk, oh God, that's a lot of alcohol. Okay, so this is going to be a short one. Rum pudding. It kind of failed. It didn't form a perfect ball. I tried it in square and it just turned out bad. But this is a steam product. That's one of my failures I keep in my icebox. So anyway, here's Hubble's cat. I have him around here. Yeah. So there's Hubble's cat. Keep him out of the kitchen. Birders and nurse. Because I like to cook. Boy, that's a lot of sugar. So anyway, that's for Hubble's cat. Yes, rum pudding that kind of screwed up. Later, folks.